find the equation of the circle through the points through the points 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Find the equation of the circle through the 3 points. So here 1 1 1 having, so it is easy to draw the graph. By the graph we find the solution. We taking the x-axis and y-axis, origin. So take 1 1 unit on x-axis and y-axis. This is 1 comma 0. So this distance is 1 and minus 1 0. This is minus 1 comma 0. This is minus 1. One distance but negative direction, it is minus. And 0 1. 0 1 means on the y-axis. This is the 0 comma 1. These 3 points. So any circle passing through the 3 points, you join by the curve like this to form a circle here. So we observe here radius is 1. Radius is equal to 1. Center is 0 comma 0 for this. From the diagram, 1 0 point, minus 1 0 point, 0 1 point, these 3 points given. So we draw the graph through according to 1 radius. So here center is 0 comma 0. Radius is 1. Here center 0 comma 0 and radius is equal to 1. So equation of the circle in the form x square plus y square is equal to r square. That is x square plus y square is equal to 1 square. It is coming x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is the required equation. This is different. So another different points, not x-axis and not y-axis, different points. Another question. Find the equation of the circle passing through the point 1 comma 1, 2 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 2. This is different problem, but same 3 points given. Here x-axis, y-axis, that is not x-axis, y-axis. 1 comma in the first quadrant, 2 comma minus 1 fourth quadrant, 3 comma 2 first quadrant. So these are different quadrants, points. Then how do we find this? This is the required circle. One point is, let us here 1 1, it is A point. Suppose B is here 2 comma minus 1, C is here A, B 2 minus 1, C 3 comma 2. So these 3 points form a triangle. This is the circumcircle. The circle passes through the ABC points. It is called circumcircle. This is the circumcircle. Here, this is the circumcenter. S. S is called circumcenter. It is denoted by S. Capital S. It is the circumcenter. So in a triangle, the distances from the circumcenter to the vertices all are equal, 2 radius. This is the radius r, this also r. This is the circumradius, circumradius. This is the circumcenter, this is the circumradius, this is the circumcircle. So here radius capital R from S, three distances equal. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. SA, SB, SC. Three distances equal to radius. So let here A is equal to 1 1, B is equal to 2 comma minus 1, C is equal to 3 comma 2. So let the center of the circle alpha comma beta. Let S is equal to alpha comma beta. We find the alpha beta and capital R radius. Radius is equal to SA. From the diagram, SA is equal to SB is equal to SC is equal to capital R. Here R is the circumradius of the circle. Consider SA is equal to SB. From this, squaring on both sides, SA square is equal to SB square. Number 1 here. Yes. So SA square, distance from S to A, SA, that is SA square is the alpha minus 1 whole square, beta minus 1 whole square, SB square is the alpha minus 2 whole square, beta plus 1 whole square. Alpha minus 1 whole square plus beta minus 1 whole square is equal to alpha minus 2 whole square plus beta plus 1 whole square. Here minus minus plus. So on the expansion, here alpha square plus 1 minus 2 alpha plus beta square plus 1 minus 2 beta is equal to alpha square plus 4 minus 4 alpha plus beta square plus 1 plus 2 beta. On the both sides, alpha square cancel, beta square cancel. So remaining alphas minus 4 alpha, right, left minus 2 alpha. So totally plus 4 minus 2 plus 2 alpha. Here plus 2 beta, here minus 2 beta. So minus 4 beta. Constant, left side 2, right side 5. So 2 minus 5 minus 3 coming is equal to 0. Okay, 4 plus 1 5, left side minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. This is the equation number 1. Next, second. SB is equal to SC, consider. So on squaring, SB square is equal to SC square. From here also, SB square, that is alpha minus 2 whole square, beta plus 1 whole square is equal to SC square. Alpha minus 3 whole square plus beta minus 2 whole square. Our expansion, alpha square plus 4 minus 4 alpha plus beta square plus 1 plus 2 beta is equal to alpha square plus 9 minus 6 alpha plus beta square plus 4 minus 4 beta. Beta square alpha square cancel both sides. Remaining alphas minus 6 in this side plus 6 alpha minus 4 alpha, 2 alpha. Betas minus 4 beta here plus 2 beta, 6 beta. Constants here 5 left side, right side 4 plus 9, 13 minus 13 plus 5 minus 18 minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So from 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2. So 1 is 2 alpha minus 4 beta minus 3 is equal to 0. Second is 2 alpha plus 6 beta minus 8 is equal to 0. 1, 2. So here 2 alpha, same. That's why we subtract minus minus plus. On subtraction, 2 alpha gets cancelled. Minus 10 beta plus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 10 beta is equal to minus 5. Beta is equal to 1 by 2. Next, from 1, put beta is equal to 1 by 2. Implies from 1, 2 alpha minus 4 beta minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 alpha minus 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 2's, 2 alpha minus 5 is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 5 by 2. So center is equal to alpha beta. Alpha is 5 by 2, beta is 1 by 2. So we don't know radius. So radius is equal to R is equal to SA. SA is the under root of alpha minus 1 whole square plus beta minus 1 whole square. So SA is equal to under root of alpha 5 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus beta 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square. After this SA is equal to under root of 5 by 2 minus 1. So it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole square. 9 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4. So this is root to 10 by 4. It is equal to SA is equal to root 5 by 2. So this is the radius. Root 5 by 2. So here radius and here center. This is the center. By using the central form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, whereas c is equal to 5 by 2 1 by 2. Radius root 5 by 2. So x minus 5 by 2 whole square plus y minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to root 5 by 2 whole square. So the x square plus 25 by 4 minus 5x plus y square plus 1 by 4. Here 2a remains, 2 to cancel only y. Here root 5 by 2 whole square is the 5 by 2. So total equation multiplied by 4. Here 4x square, 4 cancel 25, 4 5 is 20x, 4y square, 4 cancel 1, 4y. Here 2 cancel 2 into 5 10. After this 4x square plus 4y square minus 20x minus 4y, 25 plus 26 minus 10 plus 16 is equal to 0. So in this total equation 4 common. Division by 4, x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Required equation of the circle. This is the one method by using the circumcenter and radius. Another method also there for this. This is the one method. Note 1. Equation of the tangent in sloped form. Y is equal to mx plus or minus a under root 1 plus x square. So condition for the tangents what? C is equal to under root of plus or minus a into 1 plus m square. This is the y is equal to mx plus c. We substitute c value and plus or minus a under root of 1 plus m square you substitute. That is the tangent C in slope form. That point of contact, P is the point of contact. P is the point of contact. In the slope form for that point is am by 1 plus m square under root minus a by 1 plus m square. Otherwise another point also there. Here symbols changed. Here plus, here minus, here plus. One is plus, here minus, here plus. That is the point of contact. Note 2. Tangents and point. If P lies outside the circle, then two tangents can be exist. If P lies outside the circle, two tangents can be exist. These are the tangent 1, this is the tangent 2. Two tangents possible. If P on the circle, one tangent exists. P lies on the circle means these two tangents becomes here one tangent. Only one tangent. And P lies inside the circle, tangent does not possible. If P lies inside, this is not a tangent, not a tangent. Tangent not exist. Next, length of the tangent from P x1 y1 to circle S is equal to 0 is. S means circle. This is the circle, S is equal to 0. And point P is here, any point in the plane x1 y1. The length of the tangents this is the any point A, and this side also another tangents also exist. This tangent length are both are equal. Root S11, this also root S11. Root S11 is the length of the tangent. So PA is equal to root of S11. This is the formula. On this formula, one problem. Find the length of the tangent. Length of the tangent drawn from -2, 3 to the circle. To the circle, 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 3. Find the length of the tangent drawn from the -2, 3. This is the circle. This is the point -2, 3 P point. This is the tangent. Suppose it is the point A. This is the length of the tangent. It is the length of the tangent. This is circle, 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 3. But it is not in the general form or standard form. We convert to general form. Given circle is 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 3. It is divided by 2. Divided by 2. Both sides. Why? Because x square quotient should be equal to 1. But here 2. That's why we divide by 2. X square plus y square is equal to 3 by 2. So S is written as x square plus y square minus 3 by 2 in notation form. So length of the tangent is equal to root of S11. So that is equal to here x1 y1 point -2, 3 given. S11 means x square is written as x1 square plus y1 square minus 3 by 2. This is the S11. So x1 square is the -2 whole square plus 3 square minus 3 by 2. After this on squaring it is 4 plus 9 minus 3 by 2. 13 minus 3 by 2. 13 26 minus 3 23 by 2 of the tangent.